in lesson 16, we've learned a super important tip for learning Chinese characters, that is radical. And we learned the radical 人, and it means people or person. And by putting 人 with the 5 words we've learned in our previous lessons, we have these 5 new words. So it's time to check your learning. Please match the word with its meaning. If you are done, let's check them together. So the first word is 休. 休, it means rest. So a person rests under a tree. 休 means rest. The second word is 仙. It means immortal. An immortal normally lives in the mountain. So 仙 means immortal. This one is 闷. It is used to change a singular form to a plural form. So a person plus door, 人 plus 门, it is 闷. Next word is 火. 火, it means partner. So a person plus fire. In ancient time, fire is a good company, a good partner to a person. So 人 plus 火 is 火. It means a partner. So next word is 仆. 仆, it means servant. A servant serves his master. So 仆 means servant. Well, if you are ready to challenge yourself even more, write the simplified Chinese according to the pronunciation and the picture. So the first word is 休. 休, it means rest. The second word is 仙. 仙, it means immortal. The third word is 闷. 闷, it means it changes a singular form to a plural form. So how about these two? Can you write them according to the pronunciation and the picture? So the first one is 火. 火, it means a partner. The second one is 仆. 仆, it means a servant. So how's it going? Please leave them in the comment below. And if you have any questions or there's anything you would like to learn, also feel free to leave them in the comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。